A particle begins at the origin and moves 1 unit to the right and reaches P1, half units upwards and reaches P2, 1 by 4 units right and reaches P3, 1 by 8 units down and reaches P4, 1 by 16 units right and reaches P5, and so on it continues. If h comma k is the final position of the particle, then step of h plus k. It's the greatest integer function. This is step of h plus k is how much. So if I can see in the diagram, so particle begins at the origin, say O here, and moves 1 unit to the right. So let us fix here one point P, 1 unit to the right and reaches at P1. Say this is P1, 1 unit, and then half units upwards, say this is P2, and again 1 by 4 units right. So it travels 1 by 4 units towards the right, and say this point is P3, and 1 by 8 down. Say this is P4, this is 1 by 8. So this is 1 by 8 here, and then 1 by 16 units right. So it's gone 1 by 16 units right and reaches P5, and so on it continues. So what is if h comma k is the final position? If it continues the same way, it's going up and down, it's like some zigzag way. So we can observe that the final position of the point, you can mark x coordinate. If I can consider x coordinate, it's moving like 1 unit, 1 by 4th unit, and then 1 by 16th, and continues. So 1, 1 by 4th, 1 by 16, and continues, which is a GP. So where a is equal to 1 and common ratio r is equal to 1 by 4, and if it continues the same way, so we can find the x coordinate as a sum to infinity. Sum to infinity is nothing but a divided by 1 minus r, so which is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4, since r is less than 1. So 1 upon 1 minus 4 comes here, 4 divided by 3. So 4 divided by 3 is a h. So let's say this is h. And coming to the y coordinate, so y coordinate of h comma k is x coordinate of h comma k. So if we can follow the sequence here, 1 by 2 first, and then comes again decreasing, minus 1 by 8, and again comes next 1 by 16, the next one 1 by 32, plus 1 by 32, and comes again 64 and 2 128. This is the sequence you are getting, plus and minus alternatively. So this is also a GP. So where the first term a is equal to 1 by 2 and common ratio r is equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 we can consider. And hence we can say sum to infinity in the second case. Sum to infinity in the second case, 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus a 1 by 4, that is 1 by 1 by 4. So which comes here, so 1 by 2 into 4 divided by 5. So that comes 2 by 5. So this is k. So finally we got the point here, h comma k is equal to 4 by 3 comma 2 by 5. So this is the final position, final point we can say. And the step of h plus k will be equal to step of 4 by 3 plus 2 by 5, which equals to 5 was 20 plus 6, 26 upon 15, and this is 1 plus 11 by 15 we can add. 11 by 15 is less than 1, and this is 1 plus, so step of 1 point something is 1. So we can give the answer is 1. So this is the answer.